Do you have a baking sheet that always sticks? Or when you put it in the oven, it warps like this? That old pan will never come clean.
Well, those days are over. Hi, Spike Mendelson here with my Gotham Steel baking sheet, the newest breakthrough in non-stick bakeware. Our Texturra surface combines super strong titanium with super slick ceramic, so no more burnt-on messes. Broiled cheese slides right off this pan. This pan is so strong I can jump on it. Wow! Even use metal utensils like this pizza cutter right in the pan. Everything slides right out. And look, not even a single scratch. Plus, it's large enough to fit 36 jumbo meatballs. Or bake chicken tenders and fries. Then give the pan a tip and watch them slip. Even this marble sheet cake. Just flip it out with ease for a delicious dessert with no mess to clean. Other pans warp and buckle under high heat. Not in my pan. With its industrial thickness and weight, you can broil steaks and veggies on even the highest heat. And watch this, pour hot sticky caramel nuts in the pan. Let it cool and smash it with a hammer. Now that's a strong pan. And look, no sticking and no scratches. Mmm, delicious. Even these super sticky crispy rice treats pop right out of the pan. So yummy and so easy. And it's dishwasher safe, so cleanup's always a breeze.
When I first used the Gotham Steel, I was of course a little skeptical, but it worked just like they said. It was amazing. It changed the way I cook. I love it.
When you're baking and cooking more at home, you need pans and baking sheets that will hold up day after day, like our Wilton Perfect Results Premium Nonstick Bakeware. The sturdy, cold-rolled steel and durable premium nonstick coating promote even baking. The oversized handles make them easy to grab and move around the kitchen, even while wearing oven mitts. The nonstick coating also keeps food from sticking, so your baked goods slide right off. Cakes, muffins, and cookies stay intact and not on the pan. And the best part is, all of our Perfect Results pans are dishwasher safe, so they're easy to clean. Durable, dependable, and easy to clean, our Wilton Perfect Results Premium Nonstick Bakeware line is your go-to for any recipe, any day, from dinner to dessert.
I love to doodle, I love to draw, but most of all, I love to cook. And you'd be surprised how little you need to create something delicious in your kitchen.
Your kitchen will be fully stocked and you'll be ready to bake like a pro with Nutrichef's 10-piece bakeware set. The carbon steel bakeware features stylish gray silicone coating, red silicone handles, and a stackable wide tray design. The set is ideal for baked goods, treats, hearty meat dishes, casseroles, pasta bakes, and so much more. It comes with one small cookie sheet, one big cookie sheet, a 12-cup muffin pan, a 24-cup mini muffin pan, 2 round pans, a pizza pan, 1 square pan, 1 loaf pan, and 1 large baking pan. The pans are oven safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. They are suitable for ovens, refrigerators, and freezers, and they are long-lasting, stain-resistant, and easy to clean. The durable carbon steel metal is BPA-free and shielded with non-stick coating that eliminates the need for butter, oil, or cooking spray. Everything you need for preparing a delicious dinner for your family or whipping up a treat for that special occasion is all here with Nutrichef's 10-piece bakeware set.